See the phone.
Dusty Crow. And the farm and the golden duck. The clever rabbit took the story name is Dusty Crow. Greedy fox puts in the boots. Very hungry caterpillar and hungry down. No under this boat. The ugly tree. Monkey and cat. Dee da. 2 crows. 40 logs and 3 bears. The farmer and the golden duck. Made a poor farmer who had many ducks in his farm. One day he found a duck laid on golden egg. He sold the golden egg and got some money. Every Indian the golden duck laid one golden egg. With the golden eggs, farmers become rich. With the golden eggs, farmers become rich. Hi, everybody. My name is Josiah Jankovic. My story name is Dusty Crow. One day, a crow, very thirsty, looked for water here and there. He saw a pond. He lit the water here. He got an idea. And picked out the stones, he put the pond, one by one. He come up. He drank the water. He happily flow away happily. Moral of stories is Vessel. Hello everybody, my name is Cadence. I touch a weekend, the thirsty crow. One day, hot day, the crow feeling thirsty. He was pot with little water. He got an idea. He picked stars one by one. Wow! The water came up. The crow drank water, flew away happily. Marvel left the story days away. Once upon a time, lion in the jungle. He eat animal every day. All the animals were very sad. One clever rabbit took the lion, go to deep well to kill that lion and jumped away and died. And rabbit say, all animals. Thank you. One day, the ant is very thirsty and went to the river water. The dove sitting on the tree left the leaf, rubbed the water, and climbed up the leaf and turned the dove. Thank you. My story name is Thirsty Crow. One day the crow was very thirsty. He flying ground looking the water. After flying long time, he spotted a pot of water. Water was too little. He peeked in the water, could not reach the water. He got an idea. He saw the more bubbles in the grass. Pick up the bubble, drop in the water. Pick the more bubbles, drop in the water. Water was slowly rose. The crow was drunk the water, happily went to home. Moral of the story: where there's a will, there's a way. Thank you. My story name is Fox and the Grapes. Once there was a hungry fox. He stumbled upon a new art. After seeing sound and to sing, Fox told, but no matter how high he jumped, he could not reach for it. So he told himself it was probably sold and left. That night he had him sleep on empty stomach. Moral of the story: playing others for our own favor, sign of futility. Hello everybody, my name is Jaden. I study PKG, the thirsty crow. One day, the crow feeling thirsty. Here and there, he shivered, but with little water, he got an idea. He picked the stones and put inside one part, one by one. Wow! That water came up. The crow drink water. Crow flow away happily. Marvel. Where there is a way, there is a will. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is John Francis. I'm going to say a story. One day, Duke had Starmini and Ginny on the way piece of pen. Minnie said, "That's my bread." Tinny said, "That's my bread." They pull and push. They pull and push. A caught and fought. A caught and fought. The fat monkey jumped from the tree and took the bread and ran very fast. Minnie and Ginny very sad. More of the story is if we keep fighting us, later benefit. Thank you. My name is Africa. I am studying pre-KG. My school name is Maiming School. My story name is Handedly Dove. One day, had summer day because and very tasty. And is drinking water and falling down the water. Help, help, crying, help us. And is putting leaves down. Suddenly, is coming hard and down. Suddenly, thank you. What's all a guy? There was a dog. She was hungry. He dug a piece of meat. Sorry, fishes in the water. He opened his mouth. He lost his fish of meat. Mother, he dishes. He dishes. Hello, everybody. My name is Anuprabha. I study in KG2. My story name is Puss in a Boots. Once there was a boy with no money. He only had a cat. One day he asked the cat to go away. And the cat said, "Master, give me some boots, a bag, and a hat." The cat went to the forest to catch a rabbit, and he went to the castle and gifted to the king, and the king was very happy. Next day, the cat took his master to the pond to get the bath. When the king carriage came past through, the cat shouted, "Help, help, the prince is in danger." The, the, the king carriage stopped. The king carriage stopped, and the king helped the prince and gave him some clothes. The boy married this only a princess. The end. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Jota, studying KG2. Today I am going to tell a beautiful story. My story name is Two Crows. Once upon a time, there lived two crows, Jack and Sam. One day they had a fight. To prove their strength, Jack said, "Hey, I'm more stronger than you." Ha ha ha. But Sam said, "No, I'm stronger than you." They both accepted the challenge. One who fly higher with bag on their beak wins the challenge. Jack was a mean crow, so he put cotton balls in his bag, salt in Sam's bag. When they started flying, Jack started flying higher than Sam, as he was carrying a lighter bag. When they were flying, it started raining. When it was raining, the cotton balls got wet and got heavier. But when the salt got wet, it dissolved and got lighter. So Sam was flying higher than Jack. The Sam won the challenge. The moral of the story: cheaters will always be losers. Always be honest. Thank you. Hi, my name is Roshan David. I study KG2. The school name is Mimi School. I'm talking about story. This is my boat. This is boat. One God said, one good man, Noah, and his family want to make a big boat. Name is Ark, because it's going to flood the world. Thank you. Hello everybody, my name is Mitchell, still studying KG2. I'm going to say an happy close story. Don't compare yourself with anyone in life. The story will change your life. No one likes him. He's black in color. He's taking food from the garbage. And the God saw. And the God said, "Why are you crying? The clothes seem black in color. Nobody likes me. I'm taking food from the garbage." The God said, "What do you want to become?" The clothes said, "Swan." God said, "Once go meet Swan." The crow said, "Wow, you're so beautiful. I think you'll be happy." The swan said, "Who said I'm happy? I'm sad." Then the crow said, "Why? What's bothering you?" The swan said, "I'm white in color. Nobody likes me." The crow and the swan went to meet God. The God said, "What do you want to become?" The swan said, "Peacock." God said, "Once go meet Peacock." They take parrot. They take so long to search parrot, and they suddenly found parrot. Parrot. The crow said, "Wow, you're so beautiful. I think you'll be happy." The parrot said, "Who said I'm happy?" The crow said, "What's bothering you?" The peacock said, "I'm green in color. The jungle is green. The trees are green." And the parrot, crow, swan went to meet God. The God said, "What do you want to pick a man?" The crow said, "Peacock." God said, "Once go meet peacock." And the crow, swan, parrot went to meet peacock. The crow said, "Wow, you're so beautiful. You're so colorful. You have beautiful feathers. When you dance, everyone will take pictures." Then the peacock said, "Who said I'm happy?" The crow said, "What's bothering you?" The peacock said, "Wait. Then the peacock said, "Can you hear it?" The crow said, "Yes." The crow said, "What's that noise?" The peacock said, "Hunter. He's going to kill me and take all my feathers." And the crow asked, "Who's the happiest bird in the world?" The peacock said, "You, crow." The crow said, "Me?" Then peacock said, "Have you here crow burger, crow sandwich?" The peacock said, the crow said, "No." "Is anyone hunting you?" "No." "Is anyone killing you?" "No." "Is anyone hurting you?" "No." No matter who you are, where you are, how you look, what you have, you're great. God has not created same person like you. You are unique. Moral of the story, don't compare yourself with anyone in life. Thank you. One day, one warm sun comes and pop in egg comes out. Tiny hungry caterpillar was coming out of the egg and started to look some food. And on Monday he eats one apple. Yum 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 yum. But she but he's still hungry. On Tuesday he eats two pears. Yum 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 yum. But he's still hungry. On Wednesday he eats three plums. Yum 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 yum. But he's still hungry. On Thursday he eats four strawberry. Yum 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 yum. But he was still hungry. On Friday he eats five orange. Yum 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 yum. But still hungry. On Saturday he eats one cake, one ice cream, three ice cream, one pizza, one. That night he has stomach pain. The next day he eats one green leaf. Yum 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 yum. But now he's not hungry. He's not tiny caterpillar. He's big fat caterpillar. Now he stay in small house called a cocoon. After 2 weeks, he stayed 2 weeks in cocoon. After 2 weeks, he comes out beautiful butterfly. Moral of the story is: if you eat junk food who has stomach pain, please eat healthy food. Good morning, everyone. Today I will tell you the story of Goldilocks and 3 bears. Once upon a time, there was Goldilocks and 3 bears. One day, the bears went on a walk in the forest. When they were gone, Goldilocks came into the house. He saw 3 pots of porridge. One was too hot, one was too cold, one was just right. So Goldilocks ate it all. Next, he looked at the stars. See, one was too high, one was too short, one was just right. So Goldilocks sat until it broke. Last, he looked at the beds. The babe, the first, she looked at the 3 beds. One was too hot, one was too soft, one was just right. So Goldilocks fell asleep. Next, the bears came back. They looked at their porridge. The baby bear said, "Somebody ate my porridge." Next, they looked at their tails. The baby bear said, "Somebody broke my tail." Last, they looked at their bed. The baby bear said, "Somebody slept in my bed." But he still there. Then Goldilocks wake up. He saw the 3 bears. He ran away. The bears never saw her again. The end. The title of the story is One Should Never Enter to Somebody's House Without Their Permission. The end. Thank you for listening. Good morning, my dear teachers and my friends. I'm going to tell a beautiful story. The title of the story is Ugly Tree. Once on a time, large forest, there grew many beautiful trees, such as mango, fig, etc. Among that's one tree, grew the it looked very ugly. Come but other trees are used to teach him. Sagati was and thought, "Oh God, why did you make me so ugly?" One day, he hooked again to the forest and he saw the ugly creature. He said, "No use to me." One day, Katanda said, "Tree, ugly tree, no use to me. Thank you." The moral of the story, never venga, always a reason we can eat it. Thank you. Hi, everybody. One day, great mathematician called all the numbers for meeting, except 0. A mathematician asked, "Where is 0? Nobody knows. Where is he?" After a long time, they find 0 hiding behind the tree. Mathematician asked, "Why you didn't come for meeting?" He started to cry. "I have no value. No one play with me." Number 1, stand left side of 0. What is the value? 10. 0, right side of 0. Now 100. Thank you.